Understanding the phrase, in a huff. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning behind the phrase, in a huff. This is a common expression you might encounter in everyday conversations, books, or movies, and understanding it can really bring your English comprehension to the next level. When someone is in a huff, they're showing a mix of annoyance and pride. It's that puffing up of the chest we do when we're offended or irritated, but too proud to show vulnerability. It's not just being upset. It's being upset with a bit of a theatrical flair. The phrase, in a huff, has a rather onomatopoeic quality. It imitates the sound of someone blowing air out in annoyance. It's been used in English for centuries, painting a vivid picture of someone's emotional state with just a few words. Let's see how to use in a huff in some sentences. She left the room in a huff after her brother teased her about her singing. I tried to offer some advice, but he was in a huff and wouldn't listen. You can use in a huff when you want to describe someone's mildly offended or irritated mood. It's not usually used for serious anger, but rather for moments of piqued pride or annoyance. If you want to vary your language, you could use phrases like upset, irritated, or offended. However, remember that in a huff has a unique connotation of prideful annoyance. And that's a wrap on in a huff. Now you can recognize and use this phrase to express a very specific kind of annoyance. Use it wisely, and you'll add a splash of color to your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to English fluency.